Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi 13 and today I'll show you how you can hard reset your phone through recovery mode. Now this process will also allow you to get rid of screen locks if you have one that you just don't know. Now I'm gonna lock the device and you can see I do have a pattern set and I'll progress from here as though I don't know it. Number one, we'll need to turn off our device by holding power key and volume up. Once the device turns off, again, hold power key and volume up. When you see the Mi logo, let go of the power key but keep holding volume up, and this will take us to recovery mode. And in here you want to select wipe data, which we do have to do using volume keys, and then confirm it with power key. Then select wipe all data and confirm. As you can see, data wiped successfully, so we're gonna press power key, and power key. And this will reboot the device and continue the factory reset of our phone in the background. Now it will take a little bit longer for it to boot back up than it would normally do. That is because, like I said, it's continuing resetting the device in the background. But once it's finished, we'll be presented with Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your phone however you like. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.